G'day ice cream lovers, my name's Steve Christensen, the ice cream bloke, self-appointed headmaster down here at Scoop School. You can really self-appoint yourself to anything. I chose to self-appoint myself as the headmaster of this fine facility, St. Louis, Missouri. You can check it out, scoopschool.com. You can come down and have a class, you can watch a class live stream. You could even join our little band of ice cream scoopers every week. We live stream from here, scoopschool.community. Check it out. I've got a video today about a certain type of cup. Love this cup. Love to introduce you to it. Before I do so, I do want to thank our episode sponsor, which is Green Mountain Flavors. We love Green Mountain Flavors. They're a great source of very unique, very distinctive, all-natural extracts and colors. greenmountainflavors.com. Stan, he's basically been in the flavor business for, I don't know, about 70 or 80 years. He only looks to be about 50 years old, but I don't know. He's almost like the, what's that movie with Sean Connery in it? The Highlander. There can be only one. Well, there can be only one Stan Sitten. Thank you very much for their episode sponsorship. Link is down below. Now, this right here is a 2-ounce sample cup. Let's get right in on that. Focus, if you will. This is a B200 in the old Solo cup. A 2-ounce sample cup, 2 ounce by volume. I really like these cups. We've spoken about cups before in class and on the videos here. We speak about the 5 ounce and the 8 ounce and the 10 ounce and the 12 ounce. And they are basically your menu item cups. But a 2 ounce sample cup will allow you to be able to utilize, regardless of what type of ice cream that you use, whether it be scoop ice cream or frozen custard or soft serve or non-dairy, whatever you're doing, a 2 ounce sample cup is enough that people can basically have a good solid taste of the product in this cup to give them really the process and the experience of what your ice cream is like. You know, when you go into the frozen yogurt places, and I know there are people out there with frozen yogurt shops, and believe me, I'm not denigrating it, but they give you that tiny little ½ ounce cup and you've got to put a little bit of frozen yogurt in there, and it's very hard, and you kind of squeeze the cup to try and get all of that frozen yogurt taste and goodness out. With a 2 ounce sample cup, it basically allows you to be able to do that and give people a good solid taste. Now, I know we did a video not long ago about is sampling gone, and maybe it is in some stores and maybe it isn't. But the one thing I like about a sample cup like this is that if you're having an open day, if you're going and basically doing a wedding or some sort of an event that you'd like to give out some ice cream, this is a great size cup. You can put basically a 3 ounce scoop or a half a 3 ounce scoop in here, drop it in there. It looks nice, it's nice and rounded, it's somewhat filling. It's not a tiny little cup, it's not a full serve either, but it's a nice bridge. By the time someone gets through the end of that 2 ounce cup, they're going, I really wish I could have a little bit more of that, and then they come to the store or they go up to wherever you're selling and they buy ice cream. The 2 ounce sample cup, I recommend it. Quick story, back when we had our frozen custard shop in Australia, I used to keep a whole stack of these next to our dipping cabinet, and basically once or twice a week you'd see about 30 to 50 school kids walking past the shop, and I'd say, hey, come in here, free ice cream, free ice cream. So the teacher would make a detour and take the kids over to the ice cream shop. We'd file them all in, give them a ½ ounce, I shouldn't say a ½ ounce, give them a half scoop, which is about 1½ ounces by weight, in this 2 ounce cup. They'd walk off eating it. Everybody's happy. Everyone loves the ice cream. They're going to go home and tell mum, hey, we got ice cream, let's go down and get it. Teacher's happy, Steve's happy, everybody's happy. And is that not what we want in the ice cream business? 2 ounce sample cup, try them out. I'll bet you like them. Thank you again to our episode sponsor, Stan, and everyone out there at Green Mountain Flavors. And if you have a cup that you like, leave us a comment down below. We are in the 9,200s when it comes to subscriptions as well. It'd be great to hit that 10,000 mark pretty soon. So if you haven't subscribed, click on the button below, or there's a button down here as well. Keep on scooping. See you in the next video.